Hey, how's it going, guys? Kat right here. I am so excited for this video because I'm going to be showing you how to transplant a bush. And truthfully, you could use this technique on just about anything. It is so very simple. So I'll be transplanting this cute little dwarfed Alberta spruce, so stick around. Oh my goodness, that chicken is being loud. The next step is to dig a deep hole where we're going to be transplanting this Alberta spruce. Having it much bigger than the actual roots is definitely a good idea. And then you need to get as much of the roots as possible of the plant you are going to be transplanting, just because you don't want to chop off too much of those roots or it's going to hurt the plant and be a little hard on it. And then, okay, well, I have Josh here to help me pick this tree up and put it into the pot. Next, I need to bring this tree and put it into that hole that I dug up. And then number 3 is you need to keep it moist and keep it fertilized. You don't want to use too much fertilizer, but you definitely need to keep it moist as those roots are restabilizing. So this Alberta spruce was transplanted 4 weeks ago, and look at it. It is beautiful. So happy about this transplantation. So if you're needing to transplant any sort of plant, give it a try. No guarantees it's gonna win, but remember, work hard, play hard, have a wonderful day. We'll see you on the next project.